Hello my friends and new friends, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a really fun look. It's dramatic, it's intense, and it has a nice pop of purple. And if you like the video, hit the like button. And if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. I already went prep my face and my brows, and these are the palettes we'll be using today. Starting with a nude shade and applying very sloppily to my lid. Moving on to these two pink shades, I'm going to pick up a fluffy blending brush and I'm adding it to my crease. Now same brush, this purple shade, and same placement right into the crease. Now I want to intensify the crease even more, so with a pencil brush I'm going to pick up this darker, deeper purple, pat it on first, and then sweep back and forth to blend it out. Using the pink shades from before, I am blending out the purple edge. Now, I felt like I needed it more intense, so that's what I did. I took a medium shade of purple, intensified it even more, blended it out, and moving on to the smoky part. So just pick up a really nice dark black shadow and apply that all over the lid. Not too high, so stop right before you get to the crease, just right when the black and that dark purple meet. Then I'm going to take a clean pencil brush and just blend back and forth right at that edge to make it nice and seamless. Moving on to the eyeliners. This one is a nice black pencil liner for the waterline. Now I'm going to pick up some liquid lipsticks to achieve my wings. Once I've mixed the colors together and I have the color that I want, I'm going to go ahead and create a very nice, intense, and sharp mid wing. After lashes and mascara, I'm applying the pink shade to my lower lash line. Then with the pencil brush, I'm picking up a mid shade and the darker purple shade and applying it all the way to the inner corner, to the outer third, and connecting it with the top shadows. Now using the black eye pencil again, I'm going to apply this to the bottom waterline and then smudge it out with another pencil brush and that really nice black shadow that we used earlier. Highlighting time. This is, oh, I love this part. So I'm going to hit all the sweet spots. I'm going to get the inner corner, I'm going to get the bridge of my nose, and the tip of my nose. Of course, sexy time. Yes, can't skip that part. The Cupid's bow, and of course, the cheekbones. And I absolutely love this shade for highlighting. For the lips, I'm going to give you two options for today. This first one is a nice brown nude. You can even go a little bit safer, but I just love the way this nude looks. Oh, with this eyeshadow, it just complements it so well. So if you want to go a little safer, you can, but if you want to go a little bolder, you can too, because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take the liquid lipsticks that I used for my eyeliner, and I'm going to use the medium shade and apply it all over my lips first. Once that is complete, oh yeah, we're going to the dark side. Now we're going to grab the darker shade and put that in the inner portion of the lips. Press your lips together a little bit to kind of get a little bit more around the lips, and voila! Off camera, I diffused, I separated some curls, did a scalp massage, scrunched the crunch out, and picked my curls out. And that is it, my friends. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and all my makeup lovers and all of my curl friends. I hope you guys come back next Monday for another video. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.
The function of a rubber duck. Oh,
my eyes keep watering.